Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis and today I'm back with another interesting video and it's about WordPress in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right again. We are going to install a fully functional WordPress website and it's going to be with PHP, MySQL, Apache, and in less than 5 minutes provided you have a good internet connection. So before I start the video, I would like this opportunity and I would like to introduce one of my new channel. It's called Relax with Nature and I will post the link in the description. So if you or your family would like to hear a good music and want to relax, please do subscribe to my new channel and you will be not disappointed. So let's start. Okay, before I start, I would like to show you the script which I wrote, which will automatically install everything from scratch. And again, we are going to use Amazon EC2 instance. Let me show you that. So this is the instance which we are going to install our WordPress website on. This is the IP address and I'm using CentOS 7. And also the domain which we are going to use today is singidle.com. So this is my own domain and we are going, at the moment you can see that nothing is installed on it. Okay, so this is I've already logged into my Amazon EC2 instance and here is the script. So I need to change the script. So let's change the script from lampstack.sh to lampstack.txt to lampstack.sh, and I will be posting the link to the script in the below description, and also you are free to distribute this script. If you want to modify it, you can do it, but please make sure if you do that, let me know, because so it will help other people as well. So anyway, let's start. So first thing is, I would like to show you what's inside the script. So first thing, it's going to disable your SE Linux. You can enable it later. And then what it's going to do is it's going to install some repositories. Then it's going to install WordPress automatically. Then it's going to set up some firewall rules if you don't have one. Then it's going to set up some virtual environment for your WordPress. Then it's going to install Let's Encrypt certificate. Then it's going to install MariaDB for you. Then it's going to ask you for some MySQL passwords. And then it's going to give you a predefined password with your domain. So this is the simple script. So let's start. So to run that, I'm going to just give the command sh and lampstack.sh. If everything goes well, so we will have our fully functional WordPress website under 5 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so it's installing the packages. As you can see, it's now updating or installing Snapd. Snapd is important for Let's Encrypt. And before Snapd, it disabled SE Linux. And now it's updating some Snapd, and you can see that it has updated or installed Snapd. And now it's installing Apache. You can see it creating symlinks, enabled Apache. Now it's installing and it's extracting actually WordPress. And now it's going to install PHP and packages. Okay, so firewall rules are already enabled. You can, because it was a test server. So now it's asking you the domain name. So my domain name is singidle.com. Okay, so this is the domain name, singidle.com. Yes, this is correct. So if you press no here, it's going to restart the script. Sometimes this gives you error like it's really fast, but that's why I have mentioned it twice to install Snap. So hopefully it's not going to give us any error. For a newly installed EC2 instance, you are not going to get this kind of messages like file already exists or not. Okay, so which names would you like to activate HTTPS for? So yes, the answer is 1. Requesting a certificate. Okay, perfect. You can see that it's congratulations, you have successfully enabled HTTPS on singidle.com. And then it's going to install MariaDB, and it's going to be latest MariaDB, by the way, from the repository. Okay, so enter current password for root. If you don't have the password, press enter. And since it's like a test system, I already have root password for it. So do you want to change the root password? No. So do you want to remove anonymous users? Yes. Disallow root login? Yes. So it's just running some security features of MariaDB. Reload privileges? Yes. Please enter the MySQL root password. So this is root password, itpings.com. You will provide, of course, the password you have provided at pings.com, and it's giving you an error because this is a test system, but on your machine it's not going to give you an error because my database already exists. However, please open the browser and your database name is WordPress. The database user is at pings.com and your password is at pings.com. Just note down these things, these credentials, and now you can change these credentials in the script, by the way. So let's go to our website here, and if I refresh this time, reload, and moment of truth, perfect. We have our WordPress installation. So yes, United States. Okay, next. Let's go. So WordPress database name is, so here are all the informations. So my database name is WordPress. Database user is at pings.com. So username is going to be at pings.com. And the password is copy it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so there's an error. This means that the username and password information in your config file is incorrect or can't establish the connection. So let's check what is the error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. So the problem is with the username. Actually, it was not itpings.com, it's only itpings. And the password is the same password, itpings.com_2021. Now press submit, and you can see that, all right, Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. So WordPress can now communicate with your database, run the installation. And here we have it, site title. So this is going to be Sing Idle. And username, you can give it pings or itpings.com, anything. Your email is like learning, or I can give admin@techco.net, and install WordPress. And don't forget to copy the password. Okay. I hope I have copied it. Yes. And now log in. Username is itpings and the password is the password. Press enter. And perfect, we are in our dashboard. That's awesome. So now you can upgrade it or whatever you want to do. But first thing I would like to do is log out now. Okay. So first thing, okay, now we are in. So first thing I would like to do is change the appearance, go to themes, and just install like any theme. Let's make it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to I'm going to open a web browser incognito mode and go to singidle.com. And perfect, you can see that we have our HTTPS certificate is valid for SingIdle and it's using Let's Encrypt. And here is your fully functional website. So guys, hope you liked my video. It was WordPress in 5 minutes, and I know it took a little more time because there were some internet connection issues. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in our next video where I'm going to create another script about security. So till then, goodbye, God bless.